What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a face blur effect in CapCut Mobile. Start by opening the CapCut app and creating a new project. Import the video where you want to blur the face. Once your video is added, make sure the video itself is not selected. This allows you to access global effects instead of clip-specific tools. At the bottom menu, tap on Effects and then select Video Effects. Use the search bar at the top and type Blur. You will see a few different blur styles appear. Choose one that suits your needs. Usually, a basic blur effect works well for faces. Tap on it, press the tick checkmark to confirm, and it will be applied to your timeline. Now, adjust the length of the blur effect by holding and dragging its end so that it matches the entire duration of your video. This ensures the blur stays active throughout the clip. Next, we need to isolate the blur to just the face area. To do this, tap on your original video and select Duplicate from the toolbar. This will create a copy of the video on your timeline. Tap on the duplicate, scroll through the bottom toolbar, and tap on Overlay. Now, drag the overlaid video to align perfectly with the start of your main clip so that they're synchronized. Select the overlay, then scroll through the tools again and tap on Mask. Choose the circle shape from the mask options. It's the most effective for blurring faces. Tap on Invert in the bottom left corner to make the blur only affect the area inside the circle. Resize and reposition the circular mask to cover the face you want to blur. Now, if the face moves during the video, you need to add keyframes so the blur follows it. To do this, move the playhead to the start of the clip and tap the diamond-shaped keyframe icon to the right of the play-pause button. Then slowly scrub through the video and adjust the position of the blur mask as the face moves. CapCut will automatically add new keyframes each time you move the mask. For better results, work in small increments so the blur stays precise and accurate throughout the video. Once you're done tracking the face with keyframes, tap the tick checkmark to apply the changes. Now, when you play the video back, you will see the blur smoothly follow the face, creating a clean, professional-looking effect. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.